Big announcement, I will be giving away a car tomorrow on my channel at 1 o'clock Pacific time. Yes, you heard that right. I will be giving away a car to a lucky fan. Read the description for details. I've occasionally seen and heard about Instagram giveaways. The influencer buys a phone for $500 and gives it away to their fans as a way to show appreciation, and they hope to gain followers from the giveaway. Or they might team up with a sponsor for a sponsor giveaway. Good press for the brand, and the influencer gets paid. A fan of the channel sent me this giveaway and felt like something shady was going on, so I decided to dig a little deeper.
Man, it's Big G Herbo, giving all this shit away, man. Follow the caption below, you're gonna win everything, yay.
Popular rapper and influencer giving away a couple $1,000s worth of consumer goods, 2 Dior bags, 2 MacBooks, 2 iPhones, and 1 PS5, equaling 7 total winners. That's nice of him to do this. I figured it was always just a way for the influencer to thank their fans. My last video was about how Instagram is full of fraudulent behavior and deception. I'm making this video because what you're about to see is even more deception. I want to go back to back on the fraudulent practices of people on Instagram like I'm Drake going at Meek Mill. Let's watch this giveaway again and tell me if you see anything suspicious.
Man, it's Big G Herbo, giving all this shit away, man. Follow the caption below, you're gonna win everything, yay.
Was it obvious? It probably wasn't because it's in the description. Here's how you enter. First, you need to like the post. Second, you need to follow another account with the handle @HerboGivingBack and follow everyone they're following and tag 3 friends in the comments. Let's check out this Herbo Giving Back account. Clearly this account is just for the giveaway and lets us know that we need to follow everyone they follow. This account is following 79 people, so we must follow this Herbo Giving Back account and then follow those 79 people in order to enter. I went back to the original giveaway post and noticed that there was the text full terms and conditions at Aspire Giveaways. Aspire Giveaways Instagram page, celebrity marketing simplified, DM a celeb for a list of upcoming campaigns, 88,000 people following this profile. Just click on the first one. Share our profile to 20 people for a bonus entry for this winner giveaway. I just started looking through this profile. Lil Durk, 9 million followers. Follow everyone we are following to win. I kept scrolling, then I noticed real growth, 60K guaranteed, 70 to 80K expected, limited spots available. I didn't really understand what it meant at first. I kept scrolling, saw the same thing. You basically have influencer, couple million followers, blue check mark, follow everyone we are following to win, and they show a few consumer items that are popular. Here's some more influencers, some cute girls. Here's another influencer, and so on and so forth. Basically the same thing each time. Upcoming giveaway, here's some Apple products, follow everyone we are following to win. So I was just curious, what in the world is this? So I clicked on the website, and here's the website. Aspire Giveaways, building powerful brands through celebrity marketing. Same thing, you got a couple celebrities. Here's the Little Durk live March 26th. So I was just confused. What exactly is going on here? Oh, great. How do these work? Promotion. The celebrity influencer promotes a giveaway. Okay, we've seen that on their Instagram profile and instructs their followers to visit Aspire Giveaways and follow everyone that this profile is following. Okay, we've already seen that. So growth. By being on the following list of the host page, people must follow you to enter the giveaway. Therefore, for being a person on this following list, you will gain a projected amount of followers. Interesting. Well, if we think about this profile in the the G Herbo, go ahead and follow everyone that this page follows. But I started looking around and noticing that this was pretty prevalent, that you'd have to go follow about 80 people. Connecting the elements. Utilize your new growth and exposure to your benefit. Some examples of this are starting an online store, promoting your music, and many other things. Let's check out the benefits. Increased brand exposure, cost-effective advertising, and targeted Instagram growth. We'll come back to this in a minute for why that's a scam. So then you can apply now. So I actually applied, and they asked if I had $1,000 to invest. Well, I ended up going up to giveaway sponsorship because I'm still trying to figure out what you're investing in. And I saw, $4,000 for Bobby Shmurda. Quick view, Bobby Shmurda campaign spot, $4,000. For purchase is valid for 1 sponsorship position. And then it hit me what kind of scheme this is. Step 1, large influencer promotes a giveaway where they will be giving away multiple in-demand consumer items. Step 2, influencer teams up with an operation like Aspire Giveaways who acts as the sponsor for the giveaway. Step 3, Aspire, the sponsor, sells spots for their giveaway in the following list as high as $4,000 as we saw with the Bobby Shmurda giveaway promotion. In the numerous Instagram giveaway accounts I've come across, 40 to 80 is the typical amount of accounts that the giveaway accounts are following. Step 4, Aspire, the sponsor, posts their grid posts on their account and promotes a guarantee of 60K guaranteed new followers and expected 70K to 80K new followers. Step 5, the big influencer starts promoting on their Instagram that they will be giving away a couple Dior bags, a Mr. Beast burger, a subscription to Cardi B's OnlyFans, and an electric toothbrush for your dog. Here's the key. The influencer needs to include steps to qualify. Step 6, the fans follow the giveaway account and then follow all 80 people that account is following. Here's the result. Herbo has 6.5 million followers on Instagram. Even if just 1% of his followers want to participate, that is 65,000 people who follow all of those random accounts that the giveaway account follows. Sponsor accounts now have 60,000 new followers, all for, let's say, $4,000 in the example of Bobby Shmurda. Think of how big this business is. The cost of the getaway prizes could be $10,000 total. What's a Dior bag cost? $100? Because there's no way any reasonable adult would pay more than $100 for a purse. A few MacBooks are a couple grand, and a PS5 is what, $1,000? Let's assume 50 people want to sponsor one of these giveaways to earn their guaranteed 60,000 new followers. 50 people at a cost of $1,000 to $4,000 would be $50,000 to $200,000 in earnings for the giveaway. Minus the cost of goods and you're making huge profit. They probably split the profit with the sponsor and make tens of thousands of dollars for being generous to their fans. Now let's break down why this giveaway scheme is pretty scammy and misleading. Number 1, buying followers and fake engagement is against Instagram's terms of use. This scheme is indirectly paying for followers by dancing around the rules. The algorithms of these social media apps have always had a way of punishing bad behavior, like paying for engagement. You'll see more on this in a minute. Number 2, I have no idea how the winners are supposed to verify that they followed every single one of the sponsored accounts. You're telling me a group of 60,000 people who follow 80 different accounts can be sorted through by a single person? Unless there's an app that can do this for you that I'm not familiar with, I don't know how this step of the qualification can be verified. And this is the most important part, as the real money in this scheme comes from the people wanting exposure to 60,000 random accounts now following them. Number 3, everything goes according to plan. You pay $4,000 to be a sponsor in the Bobby Shmurda giveaway. You just added 20,000 or more followers to your account. Everything is great. These are all paying fans, right? Not exactly. I would imagine that most of these people are going to slowly drop off from your followers list as they now have someone showing up in their feed who they do not know, along with 80 other people. A bunch of people unfollow you. Or now you have a bunch of people who don't unfollow you, but they don't engage with your content because they only follow you because of the giveaway qualifications. Number 4, this entire scheme ruins many people's experience on Instagram. If you participate in just a couple of these giveaways where you follow 50 or more accounts, your entire feed is going to be random people who you don't know or don't organically follow. What's the result? You now have to spend all of your time on the app unfollowing random accounts so they disappear from your feed. You think Instagram has ways to counter this issue? Of course. All of these sponsors aren't benefiting from having inflated follower accounts because their new fake fans aren't engaging with their content. Number 5, what the main sponsor will do in these giveaways is unfollow all of the accounts that they were following right before the deadline. You follow these 80 random accounts to qualify, but then those following accounts disappear, leaving you with an inability to unfollow those random accounts. You can't go back to the giveaway account and hit unfollow on each. You have to do it in your feed. I've been fortunate to grow to over 130,000 subscribers on YouTube completely organically. Most of my friends don't even know I do YouTube. I don't put it in my dating app profile, and I rarely mention it to people. Why? Because I know the value of organic and I only want people to subscribe if they're going to watch my content. On the social media apps, everyone is so obsessed with the vanity metrics, most specifically follower accounts. How many followers do you have? On Instagram, what's your ratio of followers to following? How many subscribers do you need to make a full-time income on YouTube? This is all completely backwards thinking. The goal is having a following of people who will engage with your content. Having 1 million subscribers on YouTube means absolutely nothing if you get 2,000 views per video. YouTubers are still spending precious time at the beginning of videos asking for people to subscribe to their channel, which is so stupid. Hey, I know you're new to the channel, but can you subscribe even though you don't know me and aren't yet sure if I make content that you'll like? This is stupid behavior. It's the main reason why I never ask for people to like or subscribe. If you like my content, you'll follow it organically. I'll give you a great example.
All right, so look, I'm a customer for Aspire. I got like 16.5K. I started off at 2,000. And Aspire, they did a lot of opportunities for me, you feel me? Like they gave me a lot of fans. They helped me boost my fan base.
I found his account. I'm gonna blur out his name because this isn't meant as disrespect to him, but he got up to 17,500 followers. It looks great and all right, but you have to look at the engagement. 232 views, no comments. 100 likes, 26 comments. Only 2 comments, 17, 6, 3 comments. We were talking about 100 to 500 views per video. Not many at all. This kid's music is absolute trash and he's going to struggle making any sales. He's a young kid trying to make it, so I hope he keeps grinding. But he's an example of people on social media focusing on things that don't matter. You can have 20,000 followers, but if none of those people are buying your music, what is the point? Instead of spending money trying to find loopholes to success, he should be spending money on increasing his talent. Talent always wins. Here's a CNBC article written in 2019 detailing how fake followers in influencer marketing will cost brands $1.3 billion this year. Brands are finally starting to understand that engagement matters significantly more than vanity metrics. You make money from sales, not from the number of people who click follow on your account. Whether you're selling a product or you're promoting another brand's product, how many sales are you driving? That is the ultimate question. If the answer is 0, you can have millions of followers and it means nothing. Creators want vanity metrics because they could show brands, hey, I have 800,000 subscribers and want to get paid based on subscriber count. Brands are now looking at engagement and how much traffic is actually being sent. It's why very few influencers want to do affiliate marketing of products. That's a cold, hard number for how much revenue is being driven by the influencing of their posts. The reason why this giveaway scheme is so lucrative is because it triggers that desire for vanity metrics within people. For just a couple $1,000s, you can gain 60,000 followers by next week. To most, that sounds like a no-brainer. But listen to how this may actually lead you to being worse off than before. Pop Smash has an awesome Instagram giveaway guide. Maria at The Cheek Pursuit shared her bad results from a loop giveaway with Later. During the giveaway, my engagement was the best it had ever been. However, as the giveaway ended, so did the engagement. Before the loop giveaway, my engagement rate was at around 3%. Afterwards, it hovered around 1.8%. At first, my account grew almost 10K in a matter of days to 58K followers. Afterwards, the followers started dropping off slowly. 2 years later, my account is now at 45K. This is just one example, but I'll bet money it's common. Her account dropped in engagement because the algorithm was seeing that very few of her new fake followers were actually engaging with her posts. This creates a negative feedback loop as the algorithm stops pushing your content to your other followers, you know, the people who organically engaged with your posts. She dropped engagement over the experiment and ultimately had fewer followers. You don't want people following you who don't engage in what you post. That is the key to social media and why spamming everyone trying to get them to follow you is a dumb idea. The algorithms will punish you. I have a couple quick final points to make. Let's say you do win one of these prizes in a giveaway. You have to pay taxes on it. While making this video, I looked up the cost of a Dior bag because I thought there was no way someone would be willing to spend more than $1,000 on it. And apparently it's a few thousand. If you win that bag and are living paycheck to paycheck, understand that you'll be on the hook for taxes. Hope you have the money to pay Uncle Sam. This is similar to Oprah giving away cars to her entire audience. It was a little unfortunate that the winners learned that the $28,000 car came with a $6,000 tax hit. This BuzzFeed article details how some influencers were in hot water with Instagram for giving away a car in their giveaway. Cash giveaways violate our policies if done in exchange for site privileges, e.g., like 100 of my photos, tag your friends to win. She said, this isn't the kind of experience we want to create on Instagram. What was explained in this video is a loop giveaway. These giveaways are basically trying to game the system of attaining vanity metrics. As I was looking into this, I started noticing how many accounts have inflated numbers. So many accounts have 5 posts but 20,000 followers and they don't have a platform off Instagram. Come on, those are purchased or artificially inflated. This video and my last one are basically just trying to bring to light how awful of an app Instagram really is. Everything on the app is deception. Photoshop, lying about plastic surgery or steroid use, Facetune, straight up fake followers, loop giveaways so you can add 60,000 followers, fake gurus impressing you with their rented lifestyle. Fraud and deception are everywhere. What's unfortunate is that giveaways are actually a great way to show appreciation to your audience, and it's great for engagement if you need a boost. The loop giveaways are actually a really good idea if you team up with a couple of creators who make very similar content and have a very similar audience as you. It's the best way to have new audiences that would appreciate you, find your content, and engage with it. But having people randomly follow 80 different accounts to qualify for a roll of toilet paper is just dumb and scammy. Like everything else, trying to find shortcuts to success doesn't work. Thanks for watching.